Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ooh, I'm so excited. I have another Apple unboxing for you guys today. Oh my gosh, honestly, getting new Apple products, this is like the best feeling in the world. Am I right or am I right? Give this video a thumbs up if you guys agree that getting Apple products, honestly, just because you're all excited. Okay, so guys, I have done another unboxing before. This isn't my first Apple unboxing. I have done an Apple M1 MacBook unboxing, and I recorded unboxing it and sharing you guys my first impressions. So if you guys want to check that video out, I will make sure to link it up in the cards for you right now. But I have gone ahead and purchased a new iPad and a new Apple Pencil, and I am just so excited to unbox these with you guys and just share them. And I don't know, I'm just so excited. Apple products. Also, a little bit of a backstory. I actually had an Apple iPad mini, okay, version 2. So it was very much an older iPad, and I have never, ever used an Apple Pencil before. Well, I've used it, as in I've played around with my sisters and I've used it in the Apple store, but I've never actually owned one because I've never had an iPad that is compatible with the Pencil. So I am really excited because I want to buy these both together. I'm hoping that having an Apple Pencil and an iPad means that I'm a little bit more creative. I get to maybe doodle and draw on my iPad. And I also really want to take handwritten, in quotes, notes on my iPad because I want to be able to write down notes while I'm in meetings or just thinking of things, and then being able to transcribe things, and then being able to take it from written form into nice text that's readable later because my handwriting isn't the best. But anyways, guys, I'm going to jump right in and I'm going to unbox these two beautiful new Apple products for you guys today, and I am going to show it all to you. If you guys didn't already know, my name is Anika and I'm an American living abroad in London, and I love recording videos about my life here in London and just everything that I get up to. I love technology, I love Apple products, so if you guys want to see more videos about Apple products and unboxing of Apple products, please do make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you know exactly when my next video is going live. Right guys, oh my gosh, I don't know which one to open first. I don't know which one. Okay, let's do the iPad first, but let me tell you guys the specs of both of these things really quickly before I jump into actually unboxing them. So I got the Apple iPad Air, and I got it in the pink color, which you'll be able to see once I open it up. And it is the 4th generation iPad Air, and it's with Wi-Fi, so it doesn't have cellular, and it has 256 gigabytes of storage in it. And like I said, it is the pink or rose gold or whatever they're calling it. That's the iPad that I picked out. And this is the 2nd generation iPad Pencil. So this is the one that you don't have to plug in to charge. It just sits on, or magnetically sits on top of your iPad, and then it'll continue to charge, and that's where it will be held. So I'm really excited. I have heard nothing but great things about this iPad Air. Actually, most videos these days say that the iPad Air is just as good as the Pro. So I'm really curious to put this to the test. I am also really excited because this iPad is way bigger than my mini. So I'm used to having the iPad mini, which is, yeah, what it is. It's a smaller iPad. It's a mini iPad, which is brilliant. And I think it's really fun and portable, but I wanted to have more screen space. I don't know, maybe I'm just getting more and more addicted to having more screen space or screen real estate. And I have a iPhone Pro Max, or 11 Pro Max, and it is way bigger of a screen. And ever since having that phone, I just wanted an iPad that had more screen space. So I got the 11-inch iPad 4th generation, well, iPad Air 4th generation, and the Pencil. So let's go ahead and get started with unboxing. So I've already taken off the plastic on this, and the main reason I took the plastic off is because of the glare of all my lights when I am recording, but I wanted to just open this up. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh God, okay, let's open this. Oh baby. Oh my gosh, it's so light. Oh, I'm kind of surprised. Oh my gosh, look, there's that rose gold or the pink. Let's do the fun bit. Let's take, yes. Oh my gosh. Look at this beauty. Look at that screen. Oh my gosh, look at the back. Oh my God, I'm already scared touching this because I'm gonna put fingerprints all over it. Oh, I already saw the first fingerprint. This is so pretty. How does this turn on? Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. It's turned on. The power button's there. The iPad I had before, which is the mini, had the home button. So now I have an iPad with no home button. And I've got to figure out, honestly, how to use it. Oh, hello. Look at that. Oh, look at the screen. Look at the back. Okay. Let's see what else is in the box really quickly. Right. So we have the typical design by Apple in California. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get some stickers in here. Oh, it's the manual, and then some more information. Where's the stickers? Oh, they're the stickers. Oh my gosh, they're way bigger. I guess I'm used to the ones that are from the iPhone, and the one on the iPhone are way smaller, but these are way bigger. Okay, so those are all the typical Apple things. Ooh, the next thing that I can see right away is the charger, which Apple has now moved from the traditional Lightning charger into the USB-C charger. Oh, look, it's going to be USB-C to USB-C, which means it's super fast charging. And I have now yet another USB-C cable. Whoop, whoop. Okay. So it's a USB-C charger, and then it also comes with a brick, and this is a US brick, as you can see, because it has a US plug, and then what goes into the wall, and that's what goes into your iPad. Let me take off this. Let's ready for some more. Oh yeah. Gosh, honestly, if only all Apple things could stay this white all the time. Like, I absolutely love white minimalistic design by Apple. Oh, I wish these could stay white all the time, but you know what? Let's be real, okay? When do you actually keep chargers this clean? And if you do, who are you? How do you keep chargers this clean? Right, that's everything in the box. So let's go back to the iPad. This is the iPad itself. Oh my gosh, I'm just, hello. Okay, so I have to swipe up. So I'm guessing this is like my phone. Oh, it is just like my phone. United Kingdom. Okay. Setting language. Okay, quick start or set up manually. We can set up manually. Oh, I've got to choose my Wi-Fi and everything. So let's go over everything on the side of this iPad. So you can see here, there is the volume buttons. These are just like the traditional iPads that have been before. The volume up, volume down. And then on the top here, there is the power button, which I think this is now fingerprint sensor. Ooh, how fun. And then there are speakers all along here, which is the top. The other side is just flush. And then at the bottom of the iPad, there is the USB-C charging port as well as more speakers. Overall, it's just, oh, it's so sleek. And because it's square, does it sit? Let's see if it sits. Hang on. Let's see if it's, try sitting it this way. No, it's too heavy. Doesn't want to sit. Let's see if it sits this way. Nope, too heavy. But overall, this feels so sleek and honestly so light. I'm so amazed at how light this is. But I mean, I guess it's called an iPad Air for a reason, but very, very light. It looks like a laptop when I hold it up against me. Like, it looks like a really small little MacBook Pro, but ooh, I'm really excited to take this for a spin. Let's open the Apple Pencil now. So this is another product that I am super excited to open and share with you guys today. And the main reason is because I've never owned an Apple Pencil. I've heard great things about it. I know a lot of people say that it's a game changer. I'm really curious how long I'm going to use this before the novelty of it wears out, because everyone says it's a game changer, but I don't take that many notes and I'm not that like creative when it comes to drawing or, you know, doing creative things on my iPad, but maybe I will. Maybe suddenly, because I have this, I will now actually use it. But let's see. Okay, let's open it, guys. So the first thing, I think it slides out. Ooh, pretty. It says designed by Apple in California again. And then again, more paperwork. Ooh, do they have like skinny Apple? No, that's like, I wish they gave Apple stickers in a skinny format, but all the Apple Pencil information, which, you know what? I know they have to give this to you, but sometimes I just think that this is just a waste. And there she is. Look at that, beautiful. Wow, it is so light. Oh, I'm so scared of losing this. Wow, it really feels like a pencil. Okay, let's open this. Ooh, yes, do you guys hear that? Yes. Oh. You know what? There's probably a business out there that just wraps things in plastic so people can open it. So you get that satisfaction of opening plastic bits. Is there such things like that? Do you guys know of anything like that? Leave a comment down below if you think you've ever known of a business that would just wrap things so people can have the satisfaction of opening it. But here is the pencil. Wow, it's super sleek. And it's really matte, actually. I thought it was gonna be shiny, but maybe it's, yeah, maybe that's the new design, but it feels like a pencil. It feels like a pencil. Yeah, ooh, this is light. Ooh, fun fact, I'm left-handed, if you guys didn't already know that. I've been left-handed all my life, but come on, who hasn't been left or right-handed all their life? But anyways, I'm really keen to start writing with this. Oh, feels so fancy. I feel so fancy. Okay, anyways, so that brings me to the end of my unboxing, guys, of my new Apple Pencil 2nd generation and my iPad Air 4th generation in rose gold. I'm going to go and set this up and I'm getting really excited. I'm already thinking about everything I'm gonna write down with this Apple Pencil. I'm so excited to actually try it on my iPad. If you guys want to see an entire video where I am trying out the iPad and just showing you guys how it writes, maybe some of the apps that I'm using on my new iPad, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to create that video for you. Honestly, having new Apple products is just so exciting. Even I've already unboxed it and I'm still excited. Are you guys this excited when you unbox an Apple product? If you are, please let me know down in the comments below what you guys recently got excited about unboxing from Apple, because I just feel like, I don't know, unboxing Apple toys is like, I don't know, Christmas every day for an adult. So your Apple Pencil is supposed to be able to stick onto the side of your iPad, and that is where you're going to actually store this pencil. And there is a flat side as well as the rest of the pencil is round. So I'm assuming that this is the side that sticks to your iPad. So let's try that out. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's a pretty strong magnet, to be honest. Whoa. Whoa. Does that mean it's charging? That means it's charging too. How cool. This is so sleek. Anyways, guys, that brings me to the end of my unboxing. But now that I finished unboxing this, I've just realized I have an iPad Air and a pencil, and I don't actually have a case for this. I didn't even buy a case because I wasn't sure which case to even buy. So if you guys have any recommendations of cases or any accessories that you think would work really well with my new iPad, please leave me a comment down below so I can check those out. I'm really keen to put a case on it, or even a screen cover, to be honest. I have fingerprints all over this now. But yeah, if you guys have any recommendations, do let me know. Anyways, guys, let's wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing video. Like I said, I love to do unboxing videos here on my channel. If you guys want to see more unboxing videos or even me testing out this iPad Air, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload 2 times a week on Thursdays and Sundays at 5 p.m. GMT, so make sure you turn on that bell notification to know exactly when my next video goes live. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are in the world, and I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Bye!